Okay, that is pretty much most of the pre-wiring. We got our setup. As you can see, I put in some blue lights for the SMDs. I love doing those purple ones that we did that time for the truck lights. These blue ones, they're my new favorite now. Everybody's going to get blue till I find one I like better. They do look cool. And hey, that's the whole point of doing this. Who knows why they use blue lights in the future? Probably all kinds of reasons. Let's take a look at what we got here. Alright. Final setup. Okay. So, let's get in here. And you're going to see, first up, there's the motor. Let's get my pointer here. Okay, now let's start over here. Power comes up, truck, there's a PC board on top. I took a little cut off end of a bridge rectifier or a capacitor or something. I bent it around, soldered it on top. There's a black wire down here. As you can see, soldered in right there. Okay, and the wire goes up to the top of the PC board, just like that. PC board, this arm has got some liquid electrical tape on it, so it can't short. Okay, power comes up, same setup in the back. Same setup back here. Power comes up. All that power gets tied into the outer section on our PC board that we made. Then there are two motor pads that go down to the motor. The decoder will essentially sit on here, like actually it's going to go right here, but the wires will come on here. Power into decoder, power out from decoder to motor, just like that. Okay, then I got two disconnects here for the yellow and white functions. One's going to be the beacon, one's going to be the headlights. Then I got a bridge rectifier. Bridge rectifier and a capacitor on it. As I found out that these SMDs draw enough power that I actually had one of these bridge rectifiers buzzing on me, so put a capacitor on there. There's a PC board under here, just two strips. And there's a disconnect right there. That will go to the cab light. Otherwise, they're wired to the truck lights through the platform right down below. The truck lights just in there, just like that. Nothing fancy. See it on that? It's on that little PC board down in there. It's just glued in there then with some goop right there. There it is. Looking good. And let's take a look with one of the shelves kind of in place. How this guy's going to look. Let's put this one on here. Alright. It's going to have that kind of effect right there. That'll be kind of cool. It'll be kind of good. These things are so huge, and that light is really bright. But it's still going to be... I love it. You might think it's, maybe it's annoying or strange right now. Wait till we see it in operation. We like the purple ones? We're going to love these.